Push now. Keep it coming.
I got it. Just a little further. Wiping this away reveals the true condition. Significant oxidation here on the tank, and this crack on the fender is quite deep. One, two, lift. Now that they're side by side, you can see the massive size difference. Okay, that's 3 turns for this one. Now we move to the next in the sequence, avoiding the coil pack. And 3 more turns here. Well, look at that. Perfectly preserved inside. And that completes the disassembly of the top end. Absolutely stunning symmetry. Mounts are definitely cracked and fatigued. Adding to the parts list. Disassembly complete. This is the bare frame of the Boss Hoss. The backbone is massive, and we can really appreciate the documenting the scratch now. It's about 4 inches long down to the base coat.
Front and rear bearings need replacement due to excessive play. Rotors are within spec, just need a good cleaning.
Internal scope shows some scaling, but structurally sound. We've mapped the heat discoloration here, and the welds are solid.
Okay, the oxidation is consistent across all panels. We're looking at about 55% jet black remaining. Wow, the black is really coming through. Look at that. That is perfect. Ten strokes on this one. Now for the final buff, look at that mirror finish. Moving to the next spoke now. Wiping down the dust now, this part is ready for primer. All right, that looks perfect. The lines are clean, ready for primer. All right, the prep work is complete. It is ready for primer. Hitting the recessed areas now. That's the complete coverage we need before the base coat. We're using the guide coat here to highlight the imperfections, then sanding with a 400 grit block until it's perfectly smooth. Looks absolutely perfect. Perfect match. Absolutely flawless. That mirror finish is exactly what we needed. All right, the timer is set for the 24-hour cure. The paint phase is officially complete. Look at that gloss.
Perfection complete. The coverage is uniform, even in the deep recesses of the logo.
Absolutely stunning finish. Looks factory correct, just like the original GM specification.
Ooh, that is perfect.
All right, phase 6, the assembly begins right now. With the new mounts pressed into place, the frame is now prepared for the powertrain reunion. Okay, easy now. Just a little bit to the left. Watch the clearance on that manifold. And just like that, the reunion is complete. The V8 is finally home. Engine mount bolts are aligned and hand started. Ready for final seating. Steering is smooth. The handlebars are seated. Now aligning the switch housings and checking the throttle response. Very smooth. Ready for the axle? Smooth as silk. That's perfect.
Align the pulley teeth with the belt path.
Okay, I'm guiding the rotor into the bracket now.
Look centered, hold it right there.
With the gasket seated, we carefully align the flanges and start the first few bolts by hand to secure the header in position. Perfect fit. Looks incredible. We're carefully lowering the fender now, ensuring the curve matches the tire.
Phase 6, visual assembly complete. Look at that symmetrical beauty.
There we are. The tail section is now fully installed, completing the rear profile. The cockpit interface is complete. Information center ready. Gauges installed.
The battery is secured. Positive connection made, followed by the negative. Power is restored to the electrical system.
The headlight bucket seats firmly into the mounting ring. With the wiring connected, the front identity is established. The safety lighting is now fully installed and operational, ready for the road. Thermal management complete. Controls adjusted and operational. Rider input ready. All foot controls are complete. The Boss Hoss identity finally restored. All right, phase 6 visual assembly is complete. It's ready for the showcase. The full rebuild of this jet black Boss Hoss, from junkyard to street king. Just look at that gloss. It turned out perfect. Just look at that jet black finish. Absolutely flawless. The chrome catches the morning light perfectly. Look at that finish. Absolutely flawless. The leather is incredibly supple now.
The stitching is perfect. This comfort component is fully restored.
And here it is. The powder coat transformation is complete. Absolutely stunning, the gloss on this jet black finish. The Boss Hoss valve covers are back from powder coating. Absolutely flawless jet black gloss, ready for the Street King.
What began as an oxidized wreck is now a mirror gloss perfection. The journey from junkyard to Street King is finally complete.